It just takes a tenth of a second! You gotta strip the mag out. Rack, rack, rack.
Hello, and welcome to the Shelver Show. Out here is a Redball extended hipoint carbine magazine. This will also, go into the handguns too. I bought this online, and I want to say it's about $24. But it comes to about $30 with shipping and handling. But I've shot it a few times, and it's worked flawlessly. Here's your standard hipoint mag. Here's your extended hipoint mag. It's like two mags that just kind of stuck together with a thing. I don't know.
It's actually a boomerang.
It's also a batarang. But I don't know, you can get somebody with that. But anyways, we're going to take a few shots with a hipoint 9mm carbine using this, and then we'll run a standard mag too. So.
Oh yeah! I'm so pumped to shoot this freaking hipoint. Oh, let me do it.
Okay.
Let me do it.
Well, here's a high point. Here's Shane gonna shoot it.
Oh yeah. I freaking love this thing. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. it reminds me of like a samurai sword or something. No, I freaking love this little high point. These things are awesome. I think I'm gonna get me one because, especially now that they're making 20 round mags, yeah, I kind of want one now. These things are pretty accurate too. Oh, look, we got a double feed. Don't know if you can see that or not. Gotta strip the mag out. Rack, rack, rack. And then you have a guy that put the bullet back in. Make sure you stop and then observe. Not me. Oh, is this steel ammo?
Yeah, steel.
Okay.
Hold on. Before we start shooting.
Where is it lacquered?
The ammo that we're shooting is this steel cased Winchester bulk ammo. So, just in case you're wondering.
Yeah, but this gun is pretty accurate. This double feed.
Uh-oh.
Double feed again. You gotta strip the mag out. Rack, rack, rack. It just takes a tenth of a second.
There you go.
If they had like a drum, dude, pop, 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 pop. That's it. That's all you need. And the sights are so cool on this thing. I think these are the coolest sights. I mean, look at that. That is just too cool to me. But anyway, it's really cool. I kind of like to hold it right there, and if it is out, just right there. I mean, I don't like to like. Let's do some Operator Kevin. He's gonna clear malfunctions and everything, friends. Kevin, you gotta tell him what you're gonna do. You're gonna operate?
Operate.
Go. I'm gonna move forward. That's the whole point. Advance. Operate. Go! So hard! Ah!